Some people have the impression that we can give them back a full head of hair, and unfortunately that's not possible. You don't notice hair loss until you've lost 50%. So if you reverse that principle, you don't need to put 100% of the person's hair back on top of their head. By going in around the 30 to 40% replacement, you can create the illusion of fullness.
I think patients have to be realistic about their expectations, and we tend to be strategic, particularly in terms of when it comes to transplantation, that there's a limited donor site of hair if we're transplanting it to a much larger recipient site. So, and that's where the skill of our surgeons come into it, to strategically place hair that'll give it its maximal benefit.